How to set iPhone volume lower than the lowest level. So when you try to, lower your volume, you use your volume button. So let's say I'm reducing it to the lowest level. That is the lowest level. Let me check that again. So yeah, that basically is the lowest level. Now to set it lower than that, what you need to do is go to your control panel. After you're there, you'll see the volume option right there. Just long press on it and you will see it will pop up. Now what you can do is simply just drag it down, drag it a bit below, and that will basically take it to a volume lower than the lowest level. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. That is how you set your iPhone's volume lower than the lowest level. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And that is all. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.